दिल्ली माउड़ा रे गुलाल गुलाबी रंग केसरिया.
Right angle triangle, one angle and side, and this is RHS, and this is R at AAS, means this one AAS or ASA, this one. So these are the three things. We will this is the hypotenuse and this is the side, two distances na. So this will be RHS will be not used here. This one, angle, side, angle, three things. And but in right angle triangle only one angle and side. So for a right angle triangle, two informations will be there. Okay, so the question is, means suppose we have not a right angle triangle, you know, we have acute angle triangle. Then acute angle triangle, in chapter number 8 I have given a questions to you. At that time you will see second video or third video of chapter number 8. So this is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means this is not 90 acute angle. You know, any types of any acute angle triangle can be divided in the terms of right angle triangle. So right angle triangle just play as a role of, you know, right angle triangle. Just like in chemistry, you know, electron, proton and neutron na? In chemistry electron, proton, neutron. In mathematics, trigonometry, right angle. In mathematics, right angle triangle. In chemistry, electron, proton and neutron. What does it mean? Acute angle triangle can be understood, can be divided in two right angle triangles. You know, we have three corners here, 1, 2 and 3. So from any corner you can make a perpendicular. Suppose I make here perpendicular, this. So we are getting two right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is the fundamental. So that's why all the trigonometries were given, all the trigonometries ratio were given on the basis of right angle triangle. Just like electron, proton, neutron. And you know very well, proton and neutron are interchangeable each other. Electron and proton and neutron. Okay, so I'm not going to teach you chemistry, but very fundamental right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. This may be done from here also. Make what to say, perpendicular. You will get two perpendicular triangle, right angle triangle. Or from here you can do this, you know. And this is one of the very important property of a triangle. All the perpendiculars will meet at a point. Okay, so I've told you acute angle can be expressed as a sum of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, sum of right angle triangle, anywhere. So acute angle, then right angle, and then obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, what does mean obtuse angle? When this angle, you know, this obtuse angle, any one angle is more than 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. This is right angle. This is acute angle. So acute angle means less than 90. This is 90. Right angle means 90 degree. So less than acute, more than obtuse. So 90, just like, you know, like this. Less than this. These all are acute angle, right angle, and after that obtuse angle. So right angle is very unique, only one right angle. After that many obtuse angles are there, but right angle is only one. So that's why right angle is the fundamental triangle. At the time of obtuse angle, this is it can be also break in the to some of the right angle triangles. Yes, If you draw, from here, you will get two right angle triangle, the sum of two right angle triangle. But at this time, just in acute angle, all the right angle passes through the same point and in the triangle. But here, if you will draw right angle perpendicular from here, so what will you get? Oh yeah, it is not cutting. So, okay, when you draw right angle from here, so it will be out. Right angle on this side, it will not be right angle this side. So what about this? Only one chance is sum of the two right angle triangles. Yes, it's happen also, but another chance is there is if I draw right angle from here, so it will be here. If I draw right angle from here, so extend this. So actually right angle triangle, obtuse angle is very special. If this is the sum of, but if you draw from here, you will get two right angle triangles, but in the different form. Different means you have another, this one big right angle triangle, and when you will cut a right angle triangle of this shape, you will get your obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangles may be difference of right angle triangle. Difference of right angle triangle means right angle triangle. Obtuse angle also can be divided in two obtuse angle. This was the obtuse angle triangle, but it can be divided in some difference of two right angle triangles. Difference means this was the bigger and this was the smaller. When you cut it, you will get your obtuse angle triangle. The same things I have made in the starting. So only one thing I would like to make you clear: right angle triangle. The three things are there, na? So out of these three, right angle is the most fundamental. Acute angle means sum of right angle. Obtuse angle means difference of right angle triangle, and right angle obviously right angle. So right angle is fundamental, just like here. So let me explain this. From the starting I have made it. So keep patience. Yes, what you are looking? Right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle, and these are in class 10th you have read about. These are, can you see, these are something special? Guess. Parallel, 90 degree. What type of triangles these are? Now this is parallel. When you will keep it here, because all the angles are equal. All the angles are equal means these are the congruent or similar. Yes, correct. Similar triangle. Similar triangle means, okay, so this is 30, this is 30, this is 60, this is 60, and these are the 90, 90. Let me keep it. This, this one. So it's all in itself was a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle can be divided in again a right angle triangle. This is, this is right angle triangle. If you add the two right angle triangles, will make a right angle triangle again. So this is like here. This. What I have done here, the same thing is here. Perpendicular bisectors from this 90 degree. This. So you are getting here. and perpendicular bisectors from this. The important things is here, this was the whole 90 degree, this was whole this was 30 degree and this was 60 degree. So 30 degree will come here and 60 degree will come here, means cross, you can see cross. That was in chapter number 6. you can go, this type of figures are there. And similarly here, if this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree, 30 and 60 are not divided, but these angles are divided. 90 degree was divided, so 30 degree, so right opposite sides you are getting 30, and 60, so opposite sides you are getting 60 degree. Similarly this is 30, 60 and 30, so this is divide now, so this is 30, so this will be, and this is 90 degree here, so this is 30, so it will be 60, means this will be 60 and this will be 30. Okay, so that was the figure. Your questions, let me tell you very important things. Page number 203, page number 203, example number 7. Page number 203, example number 7. Read one times and look at the figure number 9.10. Figure number 9.10. Okay, so whatever I have told you here, I will show you in the book everywhere. Right angle triangle, sum and difference. From earlier portion, what we have got here, RAS, means for the right angle triangle, only we should to know two things, one angle more and one side, this one. So this is the first important things for a simple questions in trigonometry. And the second things I have told you, acute angle means sum of right angle, obtuse angle, difference of right angle. And the third things I would like to tell you, obtuse angles, difference of right angle, difference of sum of right angle, difference of right angles. So are you looking page number 203, your figure 9.10? In trigonometry, whenever there are questions of either questions may be of one right angle or two right angle, there may be questions of three right angle, four right angles also, but that is not discussed here. In your syllabus I will show you, in deleted syllabus the question is written very specifically, right angle triangles, two right angle triangles, trigonometrical questions having two right angle triangles. Okay, so in example number 7, page number 202, example number 7, read the question. From a point on the bridge across a river, this angle of depression of the banks on opposite sides of river 30 degree and 45 degree, two angles respectively. If the bridge is height as 3 meter from the bank, means third things, find the width of the river. And the figure is given, two right angle triangles are made, two right angle triangles. This type of figure is there, 30 degree and the 30 and 45. Yes. So figure was like this. (30 degree and 45). Here it was 30 degree. This was 30 degree. Means this is 30 degree. and this was 45 degree, this is somewhat more, so this is the 45 degree, and the height is given, height is 3 meter. This, in a triangle, this is actually a triangle, 30 degree, 45, which I have told you now, all your questions will be 30 and 45 and 60. Sometimes question will be 30 40, 45 or 30 60. So this is the questions of 30 45, 30 and 45. You can see here only 3 informations are given, because we have 2 right angles, this and this, 2 right angles. So in a one right angle, 2 things should be known, 2 things should be known, but here 2 right angle triangle, and one thing is common here, 3. So this is the questions when you are having 2 right angle triangle, 2 are a right angle, 2 right angle triangle. So 2 things plus 2 things, it should be 4. Here AS, it should be 4, but again there are only 3 things, 30 45 and 3, and you are getting a here triangle like this, where you have given this angle not any side, this is the height of the triangle, and you have to find this length, this width, this width. So it appears to be 2 right angle triangle, but it again a questions of one angle, one triangle, where you have given this is 30 degree, this is 45, and you have given height 3 meter. So 3 informations. It appears to be 2 right angle triangle, but if you take it as a one triangle, so 3 informations are there, angle and side, and rest you have to find. This is appears to be 2 right angle triangle, but 3, so if you take it one triangle, if you take it, there are 2 methods. One triangle, it is not right angle triangle, there is 30 45, 45 45, 30 and 75, so this angle will be 105. So it's not a right angle triangle. So if you take it as one triangle, so 2 angles and 1 height is given, 3 things are given. So I have told you in a triangle 3 things should be known, and you have to find this length and this length. So it has been found with the help of trigonometry. If you take it sum of 2 right angle triangle as one right angle, 2 right angle, because in the solving you have used 2 times of tan theta for the tan 30 degree and for the tan 45 degree. You can look at here, example number 7. So if you take it sum of 2 right angle, and in a right angle 2 things should be known, but the things is common here 3. So suppose RAS, R and this R, for this AS and for this AS, but one S is common here. So 2 things of this, 2 things of this, but one thing is common 3, height is same, so that's why 2 plus 4, but one thing is common, so you are getting only 3 things. 3 things means 2 angle and 1 height, 3 things. Out of 4, 1 thing has been removed, so AS. So this is everywhere you will find the questions will be of triangle, and the 3 things, 2 angles and 1 height or 1 length, 1 distance is be given in all the questions. Example number 6, come on the example number 6. Okay, before example number 6, come on page number 200, example number 4 and 5. Example number 4 and 5. Here, these are the summation of 2 right angle triangles, but you may have one triangle also, you may take it, And I have told you how two right angles and one thing is common, so that's why three things only remains. So that is three things, two angle and one height. Okay, so two right angle triangles, and most of the times one thing is common. One thing is common. So 2 plus 2 should be 4, but it is again 3. 3 information. So you will see in all the questions of trigonometry, 3 information. Most of the time 3 informations. In example number 4, page number 200, the figure is something different. 4 and 5. So come on the first example number 5, page number 201. The figure is like this. Read, the 3 informations are given. Read the questions. The shadow of a tower standing on a travel ground is found to be 40 meters longer, this, that. I am focusing only the figure. The figure is like that. I have made this question, practical questions of example number 5. The figure is like this. One obtuse angle is given. This is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. Only one thing I am telling you. This is 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. This is 30 degree. So this will be 30 degree. This is 120, and suppose it is 60 degree, it is 60, this is 90. I have told you this is 90 degree. So if this is 120, so this will be 60. Yes. So actual questions is of example number 5 of obtuse angle, where you have given 40 meter, means this distance is 40 meter. This distance is 40 meter. One information. The third, 30 and 60. This is 30. This is 60. It is given this is 60, but let me take this is 120. So you have given, these are questions of obtuse angle triangle. This is your questions, example number 5. You have given one distance and two angle. So this is angle, side and angle, and this is 60 degree. But the same questions can be assumed. This obtuse angle, difference of right angle triangle. Difference of means, this can be taken as difference of two right angle triangle. This is the bigger one. This is the bigger one, and this is the smaller one. This. So difference means when you will keep this triangle here, you will get this one. Oh, it's hard to hold it, but this is. So we were talking about this triangle, but we can take it as the difference of two right angle triangle. This is the bigger one and this is the smaller one. When you cut it, you will get this one. When you will cut it, so you will get this obtuse angle triangle. And one thing is common. What? This is the common. This. And it is just like here also. This is the common. So this is the common things. So I have told you, sometimes it appears to be two right angle triangle, but the three things are given because one thing is common. And when the one angle is given, right angle triangle, two things are given, and acute angle, three things are given. So in all the questions you will find. In example number 4, look at the questions. Two angles are given, 30 degree and 45 degree, and one height or one height is 10 meter. In example number 4, so this is the figure of example number 5. This is example number 7. This is example number 5. Three things. And yes, in example number 4, you can see this same figure but in different location. How? This is like this. This is a right angle triangle, PAD. This is P, example number 4. PAD and then PAB, and they have make a figure here. So again, it's a questions of, and this is given, I think 10 meter. DB. DB is equal to X. And AD. Example number 4. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of this 10 meter. And elevation of the top of a 10 meter tall building. Oh, building height AB is 10. This is 10. This distance is given. Three things. And this figure and this figure is common. Common means two right angle triangles. The bigger one right angle triangle and the smaller one. Here this was given. You have to find this length, then add. In these questions, this was given. You have to find this length, this one. Then you have to add, or you have to find this one. So the figures are same. In example number 4, and the 2 times tan theta will be applied. Tan theta. And only one thing in example number 6. Come on, the example number 6. Again you are getting two right angle triangle. You can see it. Two right angle triangle. One is like this. Example number 6. One is like this. And this is common, is taking common, and this has been make a rectangle. I am telling you now, two right angle triangles, one thing is common here, two right angle triangle, and one, this is the common thing. This is smaller and this is the greater. This is the common. So that way two right angle triangles, the things has come in three informations only. Similarly here, the same thing here, it has been shifted here, and another right angle triangle is made in this way. This. So we have two right angle triangle again. This one is small and this one, and which is common? This length is common. So in this example number 6, again you have given three information. The things I am telling you, this one, two right angle triangles, one thing is common, So you should have 2 plus 2 4, but ultimately you will get only 3 information. So example number 6, you see it. Read the example number 6. The angle of depression of the top and the bottom of 8 meter tall building from the top of this 8 meter tall, then 30 degree and 45. Find the height of the multi-story building and distance between the two buildings. So only 3 things are given, 2 angles, 1 side. Okay. Only one thing I would like to tell you. In your question number 14 also, question number 14, page number 205. Question number 14, page number 205, a figure is given, like this. A figure is given, question number 14, and you can see there the 2 right angle triangle, and one thing is common. This and the balloon height is same. Just like this was common, this is common, this is common, here this is common, and here this is common. Common means equal. But the 2 right angle triangles, you can see this 2 right angle triangle, this one and this one. This is question number 14. So only one thing I would like to tell you, means either 2 right angle triangles, even then you will be given 3 information, and the triangles is the common, 1 point common, or it may be one triangle like this, obtuse angle triangle. Even then it appears to be difference of two right angle triangles. So only 3 things. So the 4th point is either 2 right angle triangle or one triangle and the 3 informations. This one. So out of this, nothing you have to learn. This is only for your understanding. As I will solve the questions, it will be very easy to understand these questions. The most important things in trigonometry is to draw the figure, and most of the times you have to apply 2 times of tan theta. 2 times of tan theta. Why? 2 right angle triangles are there. Why tan theta? Because we will make height and distance. This is the height and this is the distance. We will very less number of questions are there when we have to hypotenuse. Otherwise, height and distance. This height and distance. So that's why the chapter name is height and distance. So in my coming classes, I'm solving the questions and I will point out this figure. So this is the very simple questions. Example number 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that I have told you this everything, acute angle, sum of right angle, obtuse angle, difference, this angle will be used, and these are about only one thing. This is for the simple 1 right angle triangle, and this for the 2 right angle triangle, or sometimes this is the same, and this is the 3rd one. So 1, 2 and this is 3. This is very right angle triangle, simple right angle triangle. This is normal obtuse angle triangle like this, but only 3 informations. And this acute angle, obtuse angle, I have told you only 3 informations. In all the questions you will find 3 informations, and out of that 3, the 2 angles and 1 side. The 2 angles and 1 side. So keep watching.